Hello everyone. I see light coming above the horizon, but it's about 6 a.m. in the morning and I'm ready to do my second official trip, and that's in this case to the southern part of Florida. Lots of beaches, but not for me because in Florida no dogs allowed on the beach, and I'm traveling with Joey, so he's my first priority. So, well, let's go to the first destination. It's about an hour away. I came here for something, as I said, something funny. I'm here at the location of a small church, a church that has become a little bit more famous because of its building. Fairly regular church, but if you really look closely, then you tend to view something quite different. To me it looks like a funny chicken. Let's get back to Joey. Hello Joey, how are you? Yeah? This is supposedly one of these spots where these Spanish explorers came on land for the famous gold that they were looking for. This park is also the location of a Indian tribe, a Native American tribe, the Toko Baga, I think, and they live here for quite a while too. And one of the things that are still visible out of that time, supposedly, are several mounds. And I've seen mounds before in my previous trip. There was a shell mound, but you can see here, hopefully, that this is a raised area. So it's just a place where they left all the rubbish over the years. But if I look closer, you can see a lot of shells here. So this is also, I suppose, a shell mound. You can see some mangroves here. And this is all part of the St. Petersburg area. I'm at the other side of St. Petersburg now, at the Morean Center for Clay. Lots of pottery makers and creators. And I think it's the largest such center in the United States. So, but there are two other things that I wanted to have a look at. And I have to search a little bit for the first one. But this is the location of a slab of the Berlin Wall. And I think that in these times, with everything that's happening only a few hundred miles from that former Berlin Wall, it's still appropriate to pay some attention to it. This is also interesting. They have a lot of wood for all kinds of really large kilns. This is also a kiln. That again is a whole different type of kiln. It's located in the Seaboard train station. I think it's from 1926, so it's almost already about 100 years old. and they converted it in a lot of small studios or so. So I'll have a look inside. I'm here in the center of St. Petersburg at the local post office, but it's a nice post office. It has been in service since, I think, 1916, for more than 100 years. And I have some affection with buildings and architecture. And you can see how these stones are done. You always have to feel beautiful. The old boxes here on the outside. And that's just beautiful. Oh, there's a museum here. And this is just adjacent to the post office. This is all original. It's in the same style. I'm here at IKEA. Don't come here often, but I was in the area, so I thought I'd do something appropriate. I still needed something that I only could get here, so let's hope they have it in stock. Well, lots of searching, but I think that I found what I needed. It's a plastic mirror, and it's just the right size inside my closet. Oké, let's go. Ga eens even down. Oké. Joey? Yeah, we're at Apollo Beach now. My whole schedule has been uprooted. It's not a beautiful area, it's more industrial. There's a little nature trail here. But I don't know exactly where it goes. It's not that long. And here again, these plants here on the right, those are mangroves. So even though we're quite some distance from the water surface, huh? Okay, I'm leaving the van behind again for a hike. That's my second hike today, and it's hot, but it's right now it's about 4 o'clock. I'm here on the Little Manatee River State Park hiking trail, and pets are welcome, and that in a state park. It is about 6.5 mile trail. That would come down to probably a little bit more than 3 hours, which is okay. We'll be back around 7 p.m. It's still light. But I don't know whether I'll make the entire trail because I'm already tired. It's nice, these boardwalks, but they're really shabby, so loose boards, up, down. So you have to be careful. I see a side spur here, yeah. That's what I think. Let's take it. Be careful, Joey. And this is the Little Manatee River. No, no, stay. Even stay. No. So far today, it's been similar as on my first trip. Yeah. Where, like on this trail, I haven't met anybody yet. Oh, before I go, please pay attention to these missing children. If you have any information, please call the appropriate number. Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe, or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.